Hi everyone, welcome to my Akka class channel. Today I am writing examples of do and does sentences. First one, do your homework. Second one, do believe in me? Third one, they do not like fast food. Fourth one, I do love this sport. If you like my channel, please like and subscribe and press bell icon to get all my videos. Fifth one, she does some creative work in her school. Sixth one, how dare you do this to me? Seventh one, Lina does not write an essay. Eighth one, they do not understand my feelings. Ninth one, do not cross your limits. 10th one, what does he do on off days? Eleventh one, how does this application work? Twelfth one, she does her hair before going to school. Thank you for watching.